Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you from where you can buy classes or specs in NBA 2K26 My Career. So it's pretty simple. There are two stores in the city from where you can buy classes. So the first one is just behind my player. If I show you that on map, this is the exact location where you need to come, and you're gonna see this store by the name of Coach. So just get into that. Now here if you scroll, you're gonna see classes, and if I select that, we have a couple of choices here. Like you can go for this one or this one. So whichever you like, you can just purchase that from here. Now the location of our second store will be just next to the first store, so which you can see just right there. You'll see the store by the name of Swags. So just get into that, and there you'll able to see couple of more glasses. So we have Halloween glasses here, and just in that we're gonna see couple of choices. So choose the one which you like. So these glasses will change with time, event and seasons of the game. So yeah, that's how you can buy glasses or specs in NBA 2K26 My Career. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.